The open road has always had its charm, but what if that road was traveled in pure BMW style? Today, we're taking you inside the all-new 2026 BMW Motorhome, a true masterpiece that blends luxury, technology, and performance like never before. From the moment you see it, you know this isn't just another RV, this is a mobile statement of elegance. The exterior design is bold yet refined, showcasing BMW's signature grille with a modern twist. Sleek LED headlights flow seamlessly into the aerodynamic body lines, giving it a sporty yet commanding road presence. Large panoramic windows wrap around the sides, offering not just great views for passengers, but also a stunning profile for anyone watching it pass by. This isn't a box on wheels, it's a luxury sculpture designed to move. Step inside, and it feels like you've entered a private jet lounge on wheels. The cabin is bathed in soft ambient lighting, with high-quality leather seating, hand-finished wood accents, and BMW's latest curved digital displays integrated seamlessly into the walls. The driver's cockpit is pure BMW engineering, ergonomic, high-tech, and designed to make long-distance driving effortless. Passengers get reclining lounge chairs, a fully equipped kitchen with smart appliances, a spacious bedroom, and a spa-inspired bathroom with rainfall shower. It's clear BMW has thought about every detail, from storage solutions to climate control, ensuring that no matter where you are, comfort is never compromised. Performance is where BMW sets itself apart from traditional motorhomes. Powered by a hybrid electric drivetrain, the 2026 BMW Motorhome offers both eco-friendly efficiency and the kind of acceleration you'd expect from the brand. Adaptive air suspension smooths out every bump, while advanced driver assistance features, including lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and AI-powered navigation, make driving stress-free even on long routes. This isn't just a vehicle to live in, it's a vehicle you'll love to drive. BMW's engineering ensures stability at high speeds and confidence on winding roads, something most motorhome owners can only dream of. Technology is woven into every aspect of the experience. Voice-controlled systems manage lighting, temperature, and entertainment. A state-of-the-art sound system turns the cabin into a personal concert hall. Smart glass windows can tint at the touch of a button for privacy, and the onboard AI learns your preferences over time, adjusting settings automatically. It feels less like a motorhome and more like a luxury apartment that happens to have wheels. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 BMW Motorhome starts at around $850,000 for the base model, but fully loaded versions with all premium options can cross the $1.2 million mark. While that's certainly a steep price, it's aimed at those who demand the very best in both travel and lifestyle. This is not just transportation, it's a moving 5-star experience. For those who can afford.